every single day. I'm gonna make it.
Today I'm going to share most cheapest skincare recipe, and that is a face mask. So what we need for a face mask is this coffee. This is a 2 rupees sachet of Nescafe Classic and a utensil. Now I'm going to add all that coffee in this bowl. As you can see it. Then I'll take 1 tablespoon of honey, and here I'm going to use the organic honey. You can also use other brands such as Dabur. And now let's mix the whole mixture. You can also add some aloe vera gel or rose water for the better consistency. So I have added some rose water in this mixture. A tip for you all: whenever you are going to put some face mask on your face, always wipe your face, because your face may have some bacteria or dirt. So I'm going to use this Blossom Kosher toner. You can also use any face wash that you use in your daily life. Now I'm done with the cleansing process. As you can see, the dirt too hot. Cannot explain. Okay. You have to keep this mixture for a while so that it can look like this, light texture. And now I'll apply this on my face. You can also use your fingers. You just have to apply a thin layer, not thick. So why this coffee and honey face mask? So first of all, I'd like to tell you that we always buy some expensive face oils or face serums to make our skin more beautiful. But what coffee and honey together do for our skin? It tightens our skin. It also decreases the puffiness, and it also moisturizes, as honey is a most amazing moisturizing agent for your skin. And then it also increases the blood circulation of your face area. So why to buy those expensive serums? Use this weekly. So now let's wait for 10 minutes. Now I have washed my face. After this, you don't have to moisturize your face with a moisturizer, because honey is a good moisturizer and we have used this in our face mask. Other than that, it also works as a deep tanning face mask. You can also use it for tan